How's it going, everybody? I'm Dr. Jon Clayton, your Layton Chiropractor here in Utah. We are at Supra Chiropractic, and we're going to be showing off some of the stuff that we show on my Instagram page of Doctor of Symmetry. And so that's kind of one of the taglines that I will be kind of going by, is the Doctor of Symmetry as it relates to bodybuilding and athletes and helping them to basically look their best, perform their best, so on and so forth. And so one of the things I wanted to really try to implement and show you is going to be like the Supra view, which is going to be basically a point of view camera showing you exactly what I'm doing as far as adjusting goes. And so hopefully that's a good enough angle. I just used a GoPro just strapped to my head, and so you'll be able to see that kind of tied into the video today, either like a side-by-side type thing. So we'll just see how the best way to kind of edit it into the video. But I hope you guys really enjoy this video. We're gonna be doing it on my friend Bailey, and she's basically getting into the bodybuilding competing world, and so we're helping her to get things ramped up and going. So we're gonna be doing some scraping, and then we're basically two different areas, shoulders and hamstrings, and then doing the adjustment as well. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. There you go. All right, so what we're gonna be doing through here, we'll be checking the rib cage. We're gonna kind of hold onto the hip here and twist. Deep breath in here, all the way out. 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 Let that shoulder relax. Deep breath in here, all the way out. Perfect. Okay. Then go ahead and turn on your side over here facing me.
Facing me?
Yep, perfect. Deep breath in here, all the way out. Then lay on your other side. Deep breath in here, all the way out. Lay on your back for me. Let that relax there for me. Let it relax there. Let that relax. Deep breath in here, all the way out. Deep breath in here, all the way out. Let that relax. Let that relax. And deep breath in here, all the way out. Perfect. All right, so what we're gonna be doing through here is we want to work through the trap area and kind of the into the neck. So what are we're going to be doing this? We already warmed up the area, we put on our lotion stuff, the emollient. So we want to basically work through here. And we're gonna be kind of going both directions here on the trap. And main thing that I'm feeling for when I do this is if there's any knots. So there's a pretty good knot right through here. So when I go over that, I don't want to go too crazy. I want to put enough pressure where we can kind of start to almost break it down a little bit, but not go too much. And as we work up through the neck, typically, like I've mentioned in other videos, when I work on the neck area, because of the lymphatic system, I don't want to work the tissue up this way. I want to go more down with my pressure to work any of the extra lymph or like kind of garbage through the neck down so it can be disposed of through the thoracic duct of the lymphatic system. So that's kind of what scraping looks like here. I can go a little bit up here and I'm going to go really hard down. And then what tells me to stop is when there's a little bit of these red dots through here. We'll show you pictures afterwards. When it does the petechiae, those red dots through the skin, that's what tells me that area is done. And so that's basically when I stop, because even then with the petechiae, you'll still get a good amount of bruising through that area on some patients. So we're just working all through here like this. And that's mainly how I scrape kind of the trap area into the neck of that shoulder. All right, so one of the things I want to show you guys real quick. So when we're working with bodybuilders and athletes, when we're trying to build that symmetry, basically that's the whole purpose of the Doctor of Symmetry page that I have on Instagram, is we have these TENS unit pads right here on the gluteus medius. Okay, and so these are the muscles that control abduction or movement away of the leg and lower body. So those, you can kind of see the pads through the camera right here. The pads are right here and right here, because that muscle basically goes across like this and hooks on the top of the femur head right here, the femoral head. And same thing on this side. It's a little bit harder to visualize, but you can still see that same contraction as well. So with these TENS units, what we have it basically doing is ramping up and turning the muscle on and then letting it go. And so you'll see that. So you'll see the glute med contract and then let go. Contract and let go. And so this basically is doing almost like a workout of this area, but we're only isolating the gluteus medius. And so that's how I use TENS units in the office when I'm working a lot of my patients for competing in bodybuilding shows and so on and so forth. And then you can use that throughout the entire body, not just like one area. You can basically do it everywhere. So I'll show that in other videos as well, but that's mainly how I would target the gluteus medius. All right, so last thing we're gonna show you is the hamstring scraping. And so we're gonna be going up and down through this area. We wanna kind of hit all the areas of the hamstring. So kind of the outside portion through here, middle, and then the inside portion through there. So all through this area here, and then I'm going to kind of show you what it sounds like from this angle. And then down, then up, and it's pretty gnarly through there. So we're basically going to do this all through this area until the skin kind of shows that petechiae, those red dots again, or if the patient, it's just too much pain to handle, we want to make sure we don't go too far past their pain tolerance as well. So we're going to be going through there, all the way through the hamstrings. Then we'll show you the final product at the very end, what it looks like when we're all done with both hamstrings. Then you can see too, we still have the glutes fire. We're gonna do that for about 15-20 minutes as we're doing the scraping through here to target the glute med. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was a super fun one to make. Let me know if you guys like that point of view shot, that you can kind of see exactly what I'm seeing as I'm adjusting, and to kind of really see if this is something that you want to have me do in the future for you guys. And we have to put a little bit of a disclaimer out there for these point of view videos. Please do not let it be a monkey see, monkey do type thing where you try and copy exactly what I do. Chiropractors go to school to learn how to adjust. That's what we do. We adjust people to help them get better. And so just try not to do this. Don't follow along the video and try to adjust on other people. So we just want to make sure that's the disclaimer that we make with you guys. You know, at the end of the day, you know, save the adjusting for chiropractors. You don't want to hurt somebody. We have insurance to protect us. You guys don't. And so just make sure that you don't copy any of these things that I do on patients. Again, I'm Dr. Jon Clayton, your Layton chiropractor here in Utah at Supra Chiropractic. We've got your back and everything else. Have a good one, guys.